This is why you should not just rewrite your notes when you are studying, especially if you're in the college level na, kasi kukulangin ka sa time. It takes too much time. And also, more often than not, yung mga questions in college level is most likely on application na. And just simply rewriting all of those will not make you retain it. Instead, try implementing active recall. With active recall, your brain is understanding, or rather remembering 75% of the things that you are studying, comparison to just rewriting your note. And I'm gonna show you a way that you can do it just using your phone. Just go to your browser and then search for Blockbox AI, and then click the first link. And then once you're here, pinutin yung builder and then select the AI apps and then enter this prompt. Wait. There. Click nyo tong parang clipboard or paperclip. Then you add your file. Okay, I've added my file. Send, and then just wait for it to generate. So this is what it looks like after it's done. Ito yung flashcard where you can show the answer, correct or incorrect. Then some study tips here, and then also meron ako nilagay dito na AI chat, which is yung nilagay ko sa prompt. Para if you do not understand some specific questions, you can ask directly here. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-switch to another browser just to ask questions, para mas malinaw siyang maintindihan in a more deeper level. So I hope that helps. Start doing active recall now.